Hello everyone, this is Dave with the Bomb Smokes. I hope everyone's doing alright. What I want to do today is chicken drumettes and breast strips in the air fryer. Now I know I like to barbecue and smoke, and I haven't been doing it that much here lately, but right now I'm just so infatuated with my air fryer that I just figured I'd make some of these videos. It's pretty hot outside too, and so this kind of allows me to stay in the nice cool air conditioning, you know. But I'm going to get back out there to the smoker and the grill pretty soon. So stay tuned. Alright, now what I have here is called balsamic grilled vegetables. I haven't cooked them yet. They've been marinating in the marinade that I made, and I'll post that recipe in the information box if you think you'd like to try them. The recipe calls for grilling them on the grill, but I've decided just to do it in the kitchen here in the stir fry. And right here I have a combination of chicken wing drumettes and sliced breast tenderloins, and they've been in a marinade for approximately about an hour. So probably in about another hour I'll be able to go ahead and put them in the air fryer. Now I'll also have the recipe for the marinade for this in the information box below. I've got my marinated chicken, and I'm gonna go ahead and start putting it on here. I don't know if I'll be able to fit it all on here, but I'll try. Now I'm going to put this on number 3 with the bottom on, the bottom element on, and I'm going to turn it on, and I'll let you know how long it takes. Be back. Alright, while my chicken is cooking, I'm going to take my marinated vegetables and I'm going to put them in the pan. Start cooking them. Alright y'all, I'm going to give this a taste test. I've got a chicken wing drumette here. Took approximately 25 minutes, well about 30 minutes in the air fryer. Now that is good. And I've got some veggies here. Wow. And I've got some homemade potato salad. Man, it's good. Woo, doggies. And I've got some garlic butter toasted ciabatta bread. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. That's all. Well, look y'all, I'm gonna finish eating this. Got me a little Jim Beam tonight. That's pretty smooth. Now remember, don't take this day for granted. Because when it's gone, folks. Cheers. Woo, smooth.